Hey, I'm Dr. Brett Berner with Foundation Chiropractic, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your Sacral Wedge. Now right here, the blue one is for males, and the pink is for females due to different shapes of the hips. So our goal, if someone is very hyperlordotic, meaning they have too much of a curve, our sacrum can kind of pinch into the back here, upsetting the nerves, the muscles, sciatic nerve issues, causing hip problems, lower back pain, the list goes on and on. So what you want to do is you want to take the device, here is your sacrum right here, you want to place this right on the hip, so not the low back, not left or right, right in the center. This bottom part right here goes on the coccyx or the tailbone. It pretty much cradles that sacrum, so it should feel pretty comfortable when you get in the right position. Now again, our goal is to reshape and structurally change these muscles and ligaments, stretching out this area, removing tension on the disc and on the nerves. Now, if the sacral wedge is too uncomfortable, start by removing the bottom pad piece. So you're just using this. It's not going to be as firm, but again, we got to start at an area that we can tolerate and slowly work up to around 20 or 30 minutes to structurally change those ligaments. Now, if you're prescribed a neck traction device, you can use this at the same time as the sacral wedge. Again, start very slow with this, lay on your back, have your knees bent for at least a few minutes, and then slowly work up to 20 or 30 minutes. Then you can alternate. You can have one leg straight and one leg bent, and you'll feel different muscles stretch. You can have both legs straight and feel different muscles stretch as well. Now it's important to use this device every single day for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Again, slowly work yourself up, and when you get off of it, you may feel a little sore, you may feel some numbness in your glutes, in your lower back, but it will get better over time. You will be able to loosen up, stretch, use a heating pad afterward to stimulate circulation and help out with that soreness. So I'm Dr. Brett Berner, Foundation Chiropractic, how to use your sacral wedge.